So as you can probably tell, we're starting to paint our house. We bought our house in January of this past year, so about 10 months ago. It was a foreclosure, a lot of work needed to be done. But all we've managed to do so far in the last 10 months is a couple things in the back and front yard, and then all we managed to do on the inside is tear up some pretty nasty carpet. We knew there was nice, hard, original hardwood floor underneath. There's a lot of work that needs to be done to that. But first, we figured before we do that, we need to paint. So that's why we're starting to paint today. Another thing we got going on is my family owns a garage door business, so we thankfully have some hookups there. We're gonna replace this guy right here. Yeah, we're gonna replace that nasty thing with a nice garage door. We're looking forward to that. It's one of the walls on the salon with Haley, so she's actually looking forward to that. Speaking of the family business, my grandfather and mother have owned that business since I was a younger kid, and I had the privilege to spend a lot of my summers, not a lot, all of my summers growing up at that business. I've learned so many lessons from them, from working there in the summers. When I was a teenager, working 8 to 10-hour days, June, July, and August between the school years. Sweating every day, working out in the warehouse, going on jobs. I learned customer service. I learned the insides of how to, what running a small business looks like. I got a lot of my entrepreneurial spirit from that business. It's where that spark grew to start a business in the first place, and that's how I credit a lot of those lessons that my grandfather and my mother have taught me over those years to the success that I've had with Forward Fitness Performance, and I'm so grateful for that opportunity. Growing up, I saw a lot of kids in the summertime not having jobs, doing whatever they want, and sometimes I was honestly a little jealous. But looking back now as a 26-year-old, I am so grateful for the opportunity they gave me to work with them, to learn from them. And again, I've learned so much. I learned so much growing up from them, and I wouldn't change it for the world.